Imagine living in a city where skyscrapers meet tropical charm, where you can sip craft coffee in a trendy cafe one moment and explore vibrant nightlife the next. Welcome to Makati, Manila's financial heartbeat and a magnet for expats worldwide. But what makes this urban jungle so irresistible to foreigners? Is it a safe haven for expats, or are there hidden challenges like flooding or high costs? And are the best places to see and things to do worth the price of living here? Stick around for the next 2 hours as we dive deep into Makati's dynamic world. Its stunning sights, thrilling activities, cultural gems, and insider tips to decide if this is your dream destination. From cost of living to safety, we've got it all covered. Don't miss a second of this ultimate guide. Why Makati? The heart of Manila's modern life. Makati is Manila's financial and lifestyle hub, a city within a city that blends modern skyscrapers, world-class amenities, and Filipino warmth. Located in Metro Manila, Makati is home to over 600,000 people, but feels like a global metropolis with its towering office buildings, upscale malls, and vibrant expat community. It's often compared to New York for its hustle and bustle, but with a tropical twist and a fraction of the cost. What sets Makati apart? First, it's the business capital of the Philippines, hosting multinational companies, embassies, and tech hubs, making it a hotspot for expat professionals. Second, it's cosmopolitan yet accessible. English is widely spoken, 80 to 90% fluency in urban areas, making it easy for foreigners to settle in. Third, it's a lifestyle haven. From luxury condos in Forbes Park to trendy bars in Poblacion, Makati offers a work-life balance that's hard to beat. Fun fact, Makati was planned in the 1950s by the Ayala family, transforming it from swampland into a modern urban center with Ayala Avenue as its Wall Street equivalent. Expats love Makati for its convenience. You're never far from top hospitals like Makati Medical Center, international schools, or world-class dining. Plus, it's just a 2 to 3 hour drive to beaches in Batangas or Tagaytay's volcanic landscapes. But is it worth the higher cost of living, and is it safe? We'll get to that soon. Key points: financial hub with multinational companies and embassies, high English fluency, 80 to 90% for easy integration, planned city with modern amenities and proximity to nature, appeals to expats for career opportunities and lifestyle. Planning your Makati adventure. Whether you're visiting or planning to live in Makati, let's get practical. How do you get here? When's the best time to come? And what's the deal with safety and flooding? Getting to Makati. Fly into Nino Aquino International Airport, NAAI, just 20 to 30 minutes from Makati by taxi or Grab, about $4 to $8. Avoid rush hour, 7 to 9 a.m., 5 to 8 p.m., to dodge infamous Manila traffic. From other Philippine cities, buses or domestic flights to Manila are affordable. Think $20 to $50 from Cebu or Davao. Best time to visit. The dry season, December to May, is ideal, with temperatures around 81 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 degrees Celsius. March to April are hottest, but great for outdoor activities. The rainy season, June to November, brings typhoons and potential flooding, so pack an umbrella and check weather updates. February's cool weather is perfect for exploring. Where to stay? For luxury, try condos in Rockwell Center or Forbes Park, $1,500 to $3,000 a month. Mid-range options like Air Residences in Legacy Village run about $600 to $1,000 a month. Budget travelers can find Airbnbs or hostels in Poblacion for $20 to $50 a night. Book via Agoda or Airbnb for deals. Safety for expats. Makati is one of Manila's safest areas, especially in upscale neighborhoods like Legacy Village, Bel Air, and Rockwell. Crime rates are low, but pickpocketing can occur in crowded areas like malls. Avoid flashing valuables and stick to well-lit areas at night. Gated communities and condos with 24/7 security are popular among expats. However, Manila faces risks like typhoons and petty crime, so register with your embassy and get travel insurance like Safety Wing. Flood risk. Makati is less flood-prone than low-lying areas like Marika or Malabon, thanks to its elevated terrain and modern drainage systems. However, heavy rains can cause street flooding in lower areas like Buendia. Choose high-ground condos, e.g. Rockwell, to minimize risk and check weather apps during typhoon season. Pro tip: use Grab for safe, affordable rides, $2 to $6. Download City Mapper for navigation and carry cash, pesos, as some vendors don't accept cards. Learn basic Tagalog like salamat, meaning thank you, to connect with locals. Key points: easy access via NAIA. Use Grab to avoid traffic. Best time, December to May. Watch for typhoons, June to November. Stay in Rockwell, luxury, Legacy, mid-range, or Poblacion, budget. Safe for expats with precautions, low flood risk, but monitor weather.
Top 10 must-visit places in Makati. Makati is packed with attractions, from glitzy malls to cultural gems. Here are the top 10 places you have to visit. Ayala Triangle Gardens, a green oasis in the CBD, perfect for morning jogs or evening strolls. Enjoy food trucks, fairy lights, and free Wi-Fi. Greenbelt Malls. This upscale complex offers luxury shopping, dining, and a lush park. Greenbelt 3 is great for international brands. Greenbelt 5 for fine dining, $10 to $20 per meal. Ayala Museum. Dive into Philippine history with exhibits on pre-colonial gold, textiles, and art. Entry is $8 and it's a must for culture buffs. Rockwell Center, a posh enclave with power plant mall, high-end condos, and trendy restaurants. Catch a movie or dine at Mamu, $15 to $25. Poblacion Nightlife District, Makati's hipster hub, packed with bars, live music, and street food. Try Z Hostel's rooftop bar or Bourbon New Orleans for concerts. Salcedo Community Market, a Saturday morning market in Jaime Velasquez Park, offering fresh produce, artisanal goods, and Filipino dishes, $2 to $5. Legazpi Village, a charming area with art galleries, cafes, and the Legazpi Sunday Market. Check out the Washington Saisip Park for a quiet escape. Makati Skyline from Century City Mall. Head to the rooftop for a stunning view of Makati's skyscrapers, especially at sunset. Grab a coffee at Toby's Estate, $3 to $5. Santo Niño de Paz Chapel, a serene, open-air chapel in Greenbelt, surrounded by koi ponds, perfect for reflection amid the urban buzz. Yuchenko Museum, a hidden gem in RCBC Plaza, showcasing Filipino Chinese art and history, $2 entry, less crowded than Ayala Museum. Why these spots? They blend Makati's modern vibe with its cultural heart, offering something for shoppers, foodies, and history lovers. Most are walkable or a short grab ride away. Key points: iconic spots, Ayala Triangle, Greenbelt, Rockwell, Poblacion. Cultural gems, Ayala Museum, Yuchenko Museum, Santo Niño de Paz Chapel. Markets and parks for a local vibe. Top 10 things to do in Makati. Makati is a playground for expats and visitors. Here are the top 10 things to do to make your time unforgettable. Dine at Greenbelt or Rockwell. Savor Filipino dishes like adobo at Manam, $5 to $10, or international cuisine at Wildflower, $10 to $20. Party in Poblacion. Hit bars like Finders and Keepers or 12 Monkeys for live music and craft cocktails, $3 to $7. It's expat-friendly and vibrant. Shop at Greenbelt or Glorietta. From luxury brands like Louis Vuitton to local boutiques, Makati's malls are shopper's paradise. Join a food tour. Explore Poblacion street food or chiquete-style Filipino snacks on a guided tour, $30 to $50 via Klook. Take a cooking class. Learn to make lumpia or sinigang at a local cooking school, $40 to $70. Check Cookly for options. Visit weekend markets. Salcedo on Saturday and Legazpi on Sunday offer fresh produce, crafts, and Filipino street food like kwek kwek, $1 to $3. Relax at a spa. Treat yourself at a luxury spa like I'm Onsen in City of Dreams, $30 to $50, or budget-friendly Thai massages in Poblacion, $10. Day trip to Tagaytay. A 2-hour drive from Makati, Tagaytay offers to all volcano views and cool weather. Book a van via Klook, $20 to $30. Join expat meetups. Connect with expats at events via Internations or Meetup. Popular spots include H&J Sports Bar or Handlebar, $5 to $10 drinks. Explore art galleries. Visit Finale Art File or Art Cube in Legazpi Village for local contemporary art. Many are free to enter. Pro tip: mix urban activities with weekend escapes. Use Grab for nightlife safety and join expat groups to build a social circle. Key points: dining, nightlife, and shopping for urban fun. Cultural experiences: cooking classes, markets, art galleries. Easy day trips to nature spots like Tagaytay. Why expats choose Makati, and is it safe? Why do expats flock to Makati? First, it's the job hub. Multinational companies in finance, tech, and BPOs, or business process outsourcing, offer salaries of $900 to $2,500 per month for expats, far higher than local averages. Second, it's expat-friendly. With 80 to 90% English fluency, communication is seamless, and neighborhoods like Rockwell and Legazpi Village feel like Western cities. Third is the lifestyle. Makati offers nightlife, international schools, and top hospitals like Makati Medical Center, making it ideal for professionals and families. Is it safe? Makati is one of the safest cities in the Philippines, with low crime rates in upscale areas. Gated communities like Forbes Park and Bel Air have 24/7 security. However, petty crimes like pickpocketing can occur in crowded areas like Poblacion. Avoid flashing valuables and use Grab at night. Typhoons and flooding are risks, but Makati's elevated areas and modern infrastructure minimize impact compared to low-lying cities like Marikina. Always check weather updates and have travel insurance. Why foreigners love it? The blend of modern amenities, career opportunities, and proximity to beaches, 2 to 3 hours to Batangas, creates a work-life balance. Expats also love the Filipino culture and affordable luxuries. Think $5 meals or $10 massages. Posts on X highlight Makati's appeal, with expats praising its hospitals and safe neighborhoods. Key points: job opportunities in multinationals and BPOs, safe with precautions, low flood risk in high-ground areas, English-friendly, modern amenities, and vibrant lifestyle.
Cost of living, and is it worth it? Makati is pricier than other Philippine cities, but is it worth it for expats? Let's look at the costs and value. Cost of living. Housing. A one-bedroom condo in Makati's CBD, example, Legazpi Village, costs $600 to $1,000 per month. Luxury areas like Rockwell or Forbes Park run $1,500 to $3,000. Compare that to $350 in Davao or Dumaguete. Food. Street food or local eateries cost $2 to $5 per meal. Upscale dining at Greenbelt is $10 to $20. Groceries for a month, local markets, run $150 to $200. Transport. Grab rides are $2 to $6. A monthly Vaporetto Pass equivalent doesn't exist, but public jeepneys are $0.50 to $1. Utilities. Electricity is high, $80 to $100 per month with AC. Internet and water add $50 to $80. Total, a single expat can live comfortably on $1,500 to $2,500 per month. Families need $2,500 to $4,000. Is it worth it? For many expats, yes. The higher cost buys you proximity to jobs, top hospitals, international schools, and a vibrant social scene. Compared to Western cities, Makati's $1,500 per month gets you an upper-middle-class lifestyle, unaffordable in places like New York or London. Plus, you're 2 to 3 hours from world-class beaches or hikes. However, traffic and occasional flooding can be drawbacks. If you prioritize affordability, cities like Davao offer similar amenities for less, but lack Makati's cosmopolitan vibe. Flood risk details. Makati's modern drainage in elevated areas like Rockwell reduce flooding compared to Marikina or Malabon.
Still, heavy typhoons can flood low-lying streets like Buendia. Choose condos on higher floors or gated communities for peace of mind. Pro tip: save by eating at local carinderias, $2 to $3 meals, using Grab over taxis, and negotiating long-term condo leases. Join expat groups for housing deals. Key points: $1,500 to $2,500 per month for a comfortable expat life. Worth it for jobs, amenities, and lifestyle, less flood-prone than other areas. Save with local dining and long-term rentals, unaffordable in places like New York or London. Plus, you're 2 to 3 hours from world-class beaches or hikes. However, traffic and occasional flooding can be drawbacks. If you prioritize affordability, cities like Davao offer similar amenities for less, but lack Makati's cosmopolitan vibe. Flood risk details. Makati's modern drainage in elevated areas like Rockwell reduce flooding compared to Marikina or Malabon. Still, heavy typhoons can flood low-lying streets like Buendia. Choose condos on higher floors or gated communities for peace of mind. Pro tip: save by eating at local carinderias, $2 to $3 meals, using Grab over taxis, and negotiating long-term condo leases. Join expat groups for housing deals. Key points: $1,500 to $2,500 per month for a comfortable expat life. Worth it for jobs, amenities, and lifestyle, less flood-prone than other areas. Save with local dining and long-term rentals. Transition.
There you have it, the ultimate guide to Makati, Manila. From its skyscraper charm to vibrant nightlife, cultural gems to expat-friendly vibes, Makati offers a lifestyle that's hard to beat. Is it safe? Yes, with precautions. Is it worth the cost? Absolutely, for the right expat. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Makati adventure and let us know in the comments which spot you're most excited to visit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel and expat guides. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the heart of Manila.